So let us try and apply analysis using these in our example, weight gain and fix. Recall our original dataset. Now the first step is to obtain the row means, the column means, and the layer means. The row means are our A sub r's, the column means are our B sub c's, and the layer means are our C sub l's. For the A sub r's, we simply need to arrange the three-way table as such, where the methionine and the protein are grouped together and factor A, which is lysine, is isolated with one block of each level of lysine. And then just simply get the mean of each level. So for the 0%, its mean is equal to 243.1667. Then apply that to each level, we will get the following values. The same steps are done for the B sub C's. But we need first to arrange the three-way table as such, where lysine and protein are grouped together with one block of each level of methionine. And then again, get the corresponding mean of each level. And we will arrive at these values. Repeat the same process for the C sub L's. But again, we need to arrange the three-way table as such, where lysine and methionine are grouped together with one block of each level of protein. And then just get the corresponding means for each level. And we will arrive at these values. Now the second step is to obtain the overall mean. Recall the identity where the overall mean is equal to the mean of the A sub r's, which is equal to the mean of the B sub c's, and equal to the mean of the C sub l's. So using this identity, it would actually suffice to just compute either one of these values. However, to show that the identity truly stands, we computed for all of them, and indeed, the overall mean is equal to the mean of the A sub r's, to the mean of the B sub c's, and the mean of the C sub l's, which is 251.9538. We now have the values to obtain the effect estimates, which are given by these equations. Alpha hat sub r is equal to A sub r minus the overall mean. Beta hat sub c is equal to B sub c minus the overall mean. Gamma hat sub l is equal to C sub l minus the overall mean. And our estimate for the mu is equal to the overall mean. Using these, we will arrive at these values. We can now obtain the residuals, which are given by these formulas. So you can either choose one of these two. For this video, we will apply the second equation. So let us try and obtain the residual in cell 111. So R is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, and L is equal to 1. Using the values that we computed earlier, we know that our alpha hat sub 1 is equal to negative 8.79167. Beta hat sub 1 is equal to negative 7.58333. Gamma hat sub 1 is equal to negative 21.125. And mu hat is equal to 251.9583. Recall in our original data set, the cell in Y sub 111 is equal to 208. Now substituting that in our second equation, we will get the value negative 6.4538. Applying this to all the cells, we will arrive at our final table that will look like this. Here are our residuals. These are our estimates for A alpha sub r, our estimates for beta sub c, and our estimate for gamma sub l, and our estimate for the overall effect. That is it for the analysis using